How to show or hide text messages on Android lock screen. Hey everybody, welcome back to a new video. In this video we're gonna learn how we can show or hide text messages on Android lock screen. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do that. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's start with the process on how we can do it. So in order to do it, you just need to head over to the main settings of your device. Right now I'm using a Samsung phone. The settings may differ from phone to phone as well, but you just need to head over to the main settings of your device first of all, and then head over to the notification setting. Just go to notifications, and here you'll be finding bunch of options here. So what you're going to do is simply head over to the last at here, and you'll be able to see this notifications lock screen. Just go into that process, and right now you can see I have turned off this option, which means if I'll be receiving any of the text messages or any kind of notifications, that won't be shown on my lock screen. If you want those notifications to be visible, including your text messages, you just need to turn on this option. After that, you may just choose this icon only, or the details as well of the message. Like if you're receiving a message, you will be able to see all of the details of that message on your lock screen. So if you want that, you may just switch to details after that, otherwise only icon only. And you can see transparency, you may include that as well. You may just set up transparency of that particular notifications, and you can see auto reverse text color option, hide content as well, notifications to show like alert and silent notifications, and show on always on display. So if you want this things to be visible on your text message on your lock screen, you will just turn on this option after coming to the notifications on your lock screen settings, and you should be able to find your notifications on your lock screen. If you want to turn it off, just get back here with the same process and you can turn off that option. So therefore just follow that method and you should be able to show or hide text message on your lock screen notifications. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.